Hi, today I will show you how to turn a text into mesh in Blender. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. First, add text by using Shift A and choose text. Click on the tab for changing the text. On the font, feel free to choose any font you prefer, and I'll choose this one. On the geometry, increase the extrude so the text wouldn't be so flat. Right-click and set the geometry to origin and put it on the position you are comfortable with. If you see the wireframe right here, as you can see, the vertex is still messy, so we have to remesh it. Go to modifier and search remesh. On the voxel option, check on the smooth and keep decreasing the voxel until the text turns into the original form, like this. And then that's it. We just click apply. That's it. Now I've changed the text into 3D text. Feel free to change the texture, or maybe you can animate it, or you can render it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!